In this video, I'm going to be telling you 8 ways you can monetize your fashion CAD pattern making skills online. If you're new to my channel, my name is Enorita James, and on my channel, I take you by the hand and show you how to transit from manual pattern making to CAD or digital pattern making. If you're used to CAD pattern drafting, you'll know that it takes a long learning curve, and sometimes it can be very complicated. But what if you've created time? You've created the interest. You've learned several CAD pattern making softwares and how to use them. You've got a few certifications. How do you make money with these CAD pattern making skills online? This is what this video is all about. And if that is what interests you, then stay tuned and let us start with the very first way you can make money online with your CAD pattern making skills. Number one, you can offer online pattern making courses. How do you do that? When you have learned all these CAD pattern making softwares, let's say you specialize and learn how to use Marvelous Design or how to use Clio 3D or how to use CAD, all those CAD pattern making softwares you have out there, you can create video tutorials and generate courses and sell these courses on learning management systems. There are a lot of systems or places that you can sell digital products. A course is a digital product. You can also decide to sell your course on digital places. An example is Udemy. You can sell your courses on Udemy. There are a lot of people there, they are selling courses and they are making their money every day. Or you could decide to, you know, create your own learning management platform. The reason it is good to start with places like Udemy or Teachable is because these people already have customer base. So you don't need to do a lot of marketing or a lot of advertising to get people to pay for your courses. That is why it is better if you're starting, you start with that. Or if you really want to be bold enough and start with your own website and your own learning management system, you can do that. I have a website that I sell courses. This is my website. Let me close it. I've monetized it with Google AdSense, but I sell courses. This is one of my courses. I sell courses on this website, and it is a completely free learning management system called LearnPress. This video is not to teach you how to use a learning management system. I have another YouTube channel dedicated to digital tips for the entrepreneurs. This is just to let you know that you can open your own learning management system site and sell your courses. And sell your courses. So that is just an information so that you know that you can do that. You can also sell it in a place like Seller. Seller is also a place for you to sell digital products online. And this is particularly good for those people in countries that do not accept paper. Like if you're in Nigeria, you can sell your digital products or your courses with Seller. You can Google that and try that. You can check out other places too that you can sell your courses as a digital product. So that is one way to market your pattern making skills online. Now, the next way is to sell custom patterns on Etsy. That means custom patterns like basic body blocks. You can sell basic body blocks, basic sleeves, basic skirt blocks, basic trouser blocks, basic torso blocks. You can create it and sell it online. You can even sell maybe children's basic blocks and sell it online on Etsy. My challenge with Etsy is that, well, it's a long-standing place that a lot of people sell things online, but For me, it is overcrowded. There are other ways, other places you can sell it. It's just to Google online where you can sell digital products. You create your patterns and you sell them online. Pattern is custom patterns. I don't think they are really that overcrowded, because it's something that really takes a lot of time for you to learn how to do. So it's something that you can actually do and sell. But as I said, you can always sell it on your own website. You can create an e-commerce store and sell your digital products. I also have an e-commerce store that I sell my digital products. I sell t-shirts, you know, print on demand t-shirts. I have an e-commerce store. In these days, you can open e-commerce store free. There are a lot of three or four that I know that you can open free. As I said, that is beyond the scope of this video. All those ones I do it on my other YouTube channels, but just know that you can create custom patterns and sell as a way of monetizing your CAD pattern making skills online. You can collaborate with fashion brands to monetize your CAD pattern making skills. For example, you can offer freelance services for small fashion brands, you know, people that are looking for people that can create patterns for them, especially if it's a small fashion brand, a small fashion industry that is just trying to transit to digital pattern drafting. You can offer freelance services for it. You can also use freelance platforms and offer freelance services and sell your freelance services. You can use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to sell your patterns. There are a lot of, I think there are a lot of people in Fiverr that are doing this. But compared to other things, they are not that much. Compared to other things that people do on Fiverr, you will not find so many people doing this on Fiverr. So it's an area to, you know, dive into in terms of monetizing your CAD pattern making skill online. The next one is you can launch a subscription based pattern library. That means you can run a kind of membership thing where people register or become members and then they pay on subscription basis. That is, they pay something every month. It's just like having a YouTube membership, you know, channel where only members have access to very special information that is related to your CAD pattern drafting. You could do some short courses there for your members at highly subsidized cost. You can teach people how to do things like different kinds of sleeves, different kinds of skirts, patterns. You can guide people through different kinds of trouser patterns, how to transform your basic custom trouser patterns to different styles, different kinds of trousers, or how to transform your basic sleeves to different kinds of sleeves and things like that. And people join it on a subscription basis. You may be wondering, how do you even begin to do that? It is something I've already started doing. It's not yet done, but I am using ConvertKit. With ConvertKit, you can have a way where you can sell digital products and your content subscriptions, on a subscription basis. It's something that can be done. So if you don't know what ConvertKit is, there's a lot of videos online you can learn about ConvertKit. Most people know it as using it for your email services, but there are lots of other things you can do with ConvertKit. I'll put the link for ConvertKit below this video. You can always click on it and find out what it is. Luckily, ConvertKit, they have a creator university where you can go through and learn all that you can do with ConvertKit. So there's a lot here that you can use it for. Especially if you don't want to open a dedicated website too, you can also use ConvertKit to sell your digital products. You can use it to sell your digital products. So now let's continue to find out ways that you can make money with your CAD pattern drafting skills. You can start a fashion blog or a YouTube channel, which is exactly what I'm doing. I have my dedicated YouTube channel that I talk about a lot of CAD pattern drafting softwares. I even have some playlists on particular pattern drafting softwares that you can learn. I have a lot of playlists on, different kinds. I have a playlist on Simly 2D. If I go to my playlist, I have a lot on different kinds of CAD pattern drafting softwares that you may want to learn about. So those are all my playlists. I have a lot. I have a lot of playlists. Even how to make things like bags, I have a playlist on it. I have a playlist on different kinds of pattern drafting softwares. I have a playlist on AI and fashion. So you can open your YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. I have over 400 videos on it. You can check it out, you know. So you can open a YouTube channel and sell what you know. Do videos on it, do how-to videos on your CAD pattern drafting channels. And then when you get enough watch hours and you have enough subscribers, you can enter the YouTube partner program and you start earning. You know, you start earning. I know that starting YouTube really and bringing it to the point of earning is not always that easy, but if you're committed, you can get it done. Especially in this day of AI, you can get it done as fast as possible and get monetized. And you start earning from what you know how to do, you know. So another way you can monetize your CAD pattern drafting skills online is by personalized guidance. You can advise people personally. People can, consult you one on one. You can do virtual sessions for people. Somebody can say, "Oh, I want to learn how to just do skirts," or I want to learn how to do circle skirts," or "I want to learn how to actually use Kilo 3D," or "Do you know how to do where I can really learn pattern drafting in the easy way? Can you tell me the steps?" People can consult you one on one, and you charge for your consultations. You know, you charge for your consultation. You can start with $100 per hour or $50 per hour. Some people might want that private consultation to actually learn it. So with your skills, you can do that and teach people and earn your money. And then you can design templates and also write ebooks. You can do create and sell time-saving fashion templates online. There are lots of fashion templates like, if you're good in drawing, you know, you can do that. I know it's not a CAD thing, but you could use um, Adobe Illustrators to create fashion templates of designs that people can use to test their designs. You can do 3D models and sell for people to use on all these 3D simulation softwares to check their designs, to see how their designs look virtually. You can write an ebook on CAD pattern drafting in a way that makes it simple for beginners to learn it. You can write an ebook on that. There are a lot of things you can do to be able to monetize your CAD pattern drafting skills. And then the last and not the least, if you feel that all this one is too overwhelming for you, you could get a job online. You could get a job in a huge fashion industry. The question might be, where are you going to start looking for a job? You can look for where all these job portals like Indeed.com, you can get something from there. And there's this other one by Tuka CAD, Tuka Tech, you know. It's called the Career Connection and all that. You can search for jobs specifically for trained and experienced fashion individuals and people that have these Tuka Tech skills. You know, if you want to learn Tuka Tech skills, there is a video I just did last on different places you can learn CAD pattern drafting. I'll link it here or I'll drop it directly below this video where you could go to these places and learn these skills. You can learn Clio 3D. You can learn from Braswell University. As I said, I have a dedicated video for that. I can link it here and I'll link it below this video. You go ahead and look for that. This one, if you go here and search for the jobs, you have to register with your email and then you can log in and then you can search jobs, you know, for job openings for fashion designers. Sometimes the jobs are quite old, but if you keep checking frequently, you might be able to get something. So that's it. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you'll be able to start monetizing your CAD pattern drafting skills because I've listed 8 ways you can do that. You can make money with your pattern drafting skills. So don't just let it be there under the carpet, gathering dust. Use your skills. Monetize your skills. Earn money doing what you love doing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next video.